Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable offline access for Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then make sure you're signed into your Google account you use for Docs. Next, click the gear icon in the top right and choose Settings. Then find the offline section and toggle on Create, Open and Edit your recent Google Docs, sheet and slides files on your device while offline. You may be prompted to install the Google Docs offline extension. Allow it if asked. Finally, wait a moment while your files sync. Once complete, you can open and edit those docs without an internet. For best results, use Chrome and keep your device signed in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.